bloody stingers. Get through them as quickly as possible. This better be worth it in the end. Things I do. Crikey, I haven't been along here for so many years. Totally overgrown. I thought I was over the bars then. Jeez, good recovery, man. Whew. Not only was there a ledge, there was a hole in the bottom of the ledge. That's what got me. Flowing somewhere now. We're coming to a dead end. Dead end. Yeah, not bad, is it? Very. Okay, this is steep. I'd never be able to get down here on the Suron. Oh. First time I dropped this. Gutted. Trying to get up here on the run will be a bit of a mission. Ooh. Too many gates to lift it over. This is what I've been looking for. Oh. A full lock. Was it worth it? At least I got it out of my system anyway. This is an old train track along here. Up there, sorry. These sort of places I'd never be able to get to on my Suron. There's just too many gates. Too many. This is one reason I couldn't really get the Suron here. It's such hard work getting over these. But not so much for this bike. A few dragonflies. And we're over. Crikey, you're friendly. What's up with you? And we got this thing. This would be fun for the... Just take that back wheel off there slow. I just don't know what these hub motors can take, to be fair. You know, I've never had any experience with one. They feel really heavy. I just, yeah, like I said, it just feels to me like they take a good bang and then it'll be out. So I'm just taking it easy. We'll work it out. Now we got this gate system. You couldn't lift the Ron over, could you? Not quite so easy anyway. Then we use the gate. Now we got to cross the train track. A good look here. There's a train parked up. And out the exit. Well, I ain't riding through that. That is proper pig poo, I reckon. Hey, let's get some speed up then. This is a nice little kind of bridle way. Yep. There's that right away then. That is for another day. While having a nice cruise through this little village, we'll have a little chat. I'll try and make you laugh if I can. I had a link sent to me the other day from one of my biking mates, and it had people's nicknames. They were so funny. I just was in hysterics when I watched it, and then I thought, well, we had a good one when we was at school. Some guy used to be called E.T. That's because he had an extra testicle. But these other ones, there was Drill Bert, because he was a small, boring tool. I thought, small, boring tool. That was quite funny. And then there was Uncle Ben's boil in the bag, because he had a cyst on his gonads, or gonad. Just, oh my god, just imagine these people getting called things like that. Let me try and remember the others. Right, got to watch this traffic. Just had to let some of this traffic through and compose again and just quickly jog my memory. Another one was, he had one hand, the guy at work, they said, had one hand a lot bigger than the other hand, so they called him the clock. Imagine that. And then there was, what is the last one? Oh, he had one leg shorter than the other, so they called him the sniper's nightmare. They all gave me a bit of a chuckle anyway, a bit of a laugh. If you've got any good nicknames or known of any, then let us know in the comments. I'll probably read them out because I think it's quite funny. It entertains me for a few minutes. Oh wow. Look at this bridle way. Nice and tight. We're only in gear 1. Oh, too late. This is like some abandoned hotel. Someone's been cutting the grass though. What does this look like? It's a bit tight for the old bars here. Okay, let's try this, shall we? Is this a good idea? Yeah. Until we get to the other side, we can't put the bike down. Where does this go? Oh, I don't like the look of this. Don't think I like the look of that way. Have a quick look. There's some sheep in there. Keep away from them. Properly abandoned. Can't see any cameras in the air. Like this, the thing bust into. That's what this pandemic has done. Put a lot of people out of business. Hotel reception. Alright, let's get out of here. I thought there'd be a few obstacles or something. Oh no. It's not that hot. What's up with it? Huh. Just seemed like it switched itself off. That was weird. I've had that hub hotter. I haven't been along here for many years either. It's great, that's the thing, I can just go to places that I just definitely won't on the Saron. Oh, look at that lake. Oh. This is it. Just imagine having a lake like this outside the back of your house. Crikey, I'd like to go magnet fishing in there actually. I think I'm going to head home now anyway. My main purpose today was just to come out and find that hill and see what it was like. See if it is, see how accessible it was, and to be fair, I won't be going there on my Saron. Good excuse to come out on the e-bike, check out these spots. and then just go back via the off-road routes and enjoy the scenery. Yeah. Right then, hope you enjoyed today's upload. Nothing special, but if you enjoy e-bikes and exploring, then it's quite nice to see this sort of stuff. Anyway, thanks for getting this far. Hope you enjoyed. MOTO Machines out.